In today's video, I'll show you how to design t-shirt in Canva. So let's jump right in. So go to the Canva website. It's a great online design tool that's completely free to use. Let's start by searching for t-shirt in the Canva search bar and hit the enter button. You'll find different templates. Scroll through these options and choose the one you like. But you can also start with a blank canvas if you want to create your own design from scratch. I'll go ahead and open a blank t-shirt canvas. If you're not sure where to start or need inspiration, you can visit Pinterest and search for t-shirt design ideas. You'll find tons of creative and simple examples you can recreate in Canva. So let's make one together. I'll add a text element here. Let's type in love. Now I'll increase the size a bit and move it to the center. Let's change the font to something bold. For this, click on text, and from the top menu, choose font, and now click on the style that you want. Now I'll duplicate this text a few times to create a layered effect. One on top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. The goal is to make it simple, bold, and easy to read. Those kinds of designs sell best on t-shirts. Now I'll just align everything properly, make sure all the text elements are centered, and maybe adjust the spacing a bit. You can experiment with different fonts, effects, and color combinations until you get something you really like. Once you're happy with your design, it should look clean, balanced, and ready to use. When you're done, click on Share, then Download, and choose PNG format for the best quality. You can also turn on the transparent background option if you have Canva Pro. That's perfect for printing on t-shirts. And that's it. Your t-shirt design is now ready. You can upload it to any print-on-demand platform like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring to print it on t-shirts and start selling online.